Are you ready to unlock the potential of text data and master the skills of text mining and natural language processing? Welcome to our comprehensive 10-day course on text mining and NLP, where you'll dive deep into extracting insights and meaning from vast amounts of textual data using the most powerful tools and techniques in the industry. Over the span of 10 days, you'll gain hands-on experience in core NLP skills. Starting with an introduction to text mining, you'll progress through essential steps like text pre-processing and analysis. Learn text analysis in both R and Python, work through sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and dive into advanced NLP techniques and model building. Our course doesn't stop at theory. You'll explore advanced NLP methods, build your own models, and tackle real-world case studies to see how NLP transforms data into actionable insights. With NLP, you can transform everything from customer feedback to market trends into valuable insights. This course is designed for professionals, students, and anyone looking to expand their skills in text mining and NLP. Whether you're in business, research, or tech, you'll leave this training with practical, career-boosting skills. Join us for this in-depth learning journey and take the next step in mastering text mining and NLP. Sign up now to secure your spot. Don't miss this chance to become an expert in one of today's most valuable data skills.